These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform.
Ladies and gents, please stand up for the national anthems.
Welcome everyone to this wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. There must be some nerves as the batsman is set to face his first ball. Well bowled past the edge of the bat. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Squeeze a single there, good running. Bullseye! What a throw, flat and fast. I tell you what, the slow ball won't be a bad option on this pitch. Oh, well bowled, a ripper. Good placement by the batsman. He should be looking for some runs here. Nice throw straight to the top of the stumps. Oh, that's the beauty of a delivery. The bowler really unlucky to not get an edge on that one. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Good bowling, it beats him all and bang! That's powerfully struck by the batsman for a maximum. Beautiful shot by the batsman. That's 4 more. Will he take him on again? Let's see. Squeeze a single there. Good running. That's an excellent throw. Leg byes given by the umpire. No connection between bat and ball. The bowler is looking furious. Is a short ball coming? That looks handsome. It certainly is a huge 6. Muscle, a magnificent shot for 4. It looks in good batting form. Oh, he's clubbed that for a 6. That's a great hit. Well, the captain has decided taking the pace of the ball is a good way to go. And the batting power play comes to an end. That's a 6. The power is extraordinary. It's a full house here, and what an atmosphere we've had for this match. Good shot for a single. Good backing up by the fielder. Shows how involved he is in the game. That's a good shot from the batsman. Wasn't the best ball though. There's such a wonderful crowd in to watch their favorite players. Oh, well bowled and smart piece of stumping by the keeper too. The umpire raises the finger. Looks frustrated as he takes a long walk back to the pavilion. It's very important as a bowler to make the batsman play. Got him, that's a stunner, out for a duck. Batsman takes the long walk back to the pavilion. The close-in fielder should be on their toes to ensure that the batsman stays on strike. Good loud appeal. But the umpire says not out. That's high in the air. Poor running between the wickets, really poor. Bang! That's powerfully struck by the batsman for a maximum. Slim pickings at the moment. The batsmen need to up the gear a bit. That looks handsome. It certainly is a huge six. I tell you what, he uses the crease well to play the spinners. That's in the air. Oh, he has put that down. He'd be disappointed with himself there. I know he's a fierce competitor and doesn't shy away from a challenge, but that is just crossing the line, I think. Good pickup shot this. Has that gone for a six? Yes, it has. Well, that is glorious, absolutely glorious, perfect timing. It looks in good batting form. Cracking delivery, almost unplayable. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Edge, but lands in a no man's land. He deserved a wicket there. Nice throw straight to the top of the stumps. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs they'll have that security. Beautiful bowling, hitting the right legs. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. No ball called. Batsmen all set to cash in on this free hit. That's a beauty. The batsman had to play at that one. That was in the slot. Lucky to get away with that free hit. That's gone high. Missed time, should be taken. And is taken. Looks frustrated as he takes a long walk back to the pavilion. Last ball coming up. Wow, that is extraordinary. That's a magnificent hit for a six. The bowler has the new ball. We're all set to go for the first ball of the innings. Good shot for a single. No ball called. Bowlers can actually get extra bounce by bowling cutters on this pitch. Oh, he's clubbed that for a six. That's a great hit. Don't think the bowlers have been able to hit the right length consistently. Came around quickly to cover the throw. Well placed into the gap, possible too. This is poor fielding. They can't leak out runs like this. Fans would be disappointed. You really need to be on your toes at this level while fielding. Beauty from the bowler, zip. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Good shot for a single. Looks like he couldn't judge the pace of the ball. He's lost this one completely. You need to try and make them work really hard for each run. This kind of a fielding effort is really not going to help them. Good shot by the batsman. Can they steal a second here? It's a full house here, and what an atmosphere we've had for this match. Played into the gap, should be able to run two here. That's a quick throw, right on top of the stumps. The bowler has overstepped, no ball. Get ready for the free hit now. Shouts of catch it, but nobody will. That's 6 runs. Turned away for a single. He really had to reach for the ball to collect it. Not a great ball, and that has been hammered. Terrific shot. Now have more fielders outside the inner circle. Good shot for a single. But it seems like the bowler prefers to bowl from this end. Right on top of the bounce as he defends. Feel the bowler should be around that good length area more. Turned away for a single. Very good running between the wickets. Oh, he's thrown it wide. The bowler has overstepped, no ball. Batsman all set to cash in on this free hit. Squeeze a single there, good running. Good game awareness. He was covering the... Good shot for a single. The batters need to start taking a few risks now. Scoring rate at the moment is a crawl. Good length outside off, and the batsman leaves it alone. Plenty happening out there. Fielding captain needs to calm his bowlers down before the umpire interferes. He didn't get any timing on that one. Turned away for a single. This is poor fielding. They can't leak out runs like this. Fans would be disappointed. Get ready for the free hit now. Oh, he's thrown it wide. Good shot for a single. These misfields can hurt the fielding team's confidence big time. The captain would definitely feel let down by the effort. Fielders are expected to support the bowler. Need to keep things really tight. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. I tell you what, the slow ball won't be a bad option on this pitch. Turned away for a single. Last ball coming up. Very good running between the wickets. Connected well, but straight to the fielder. Dazzling batting by this duo.